Mother girl like you. You have to prop me. You have to go cut out that, you know. How me read? Mad. You could have outside and bright. Which one me read? Me I see it. Mother when. Oh yeah. Pop under your nasty this, you know, girl. You could have outside and bright, but mad. I mean, I call mad Lisa. Oh yes, remember that one I know. You're outside. Mother went. I remember, you know. Mother went time, girl pick.
You sure you want to just cut it and then?
Yeah, you can. You can cut it. We could start. Santa, you can done video now, you know. Me tell.